Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Design. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing 5-color trick in CorelDRAW, a trick that most of you probably haven't seen before. And especially for those who struggle to understand color theory, this video is made just for you. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. Trick number 1. First of all, let's see how to change the name of a page in CorelDRAW. As you can see, the page currently has a name written here, and I want to change it. So, for that, I'll simply right-click on the Page tab right here on the side. Then, I'll click on Rename Page. A small box appears where you can type a new name for your page. I'll type 123 as the new name. And as you can see, the page name has now been successfully changed. Trick number 2. Now, on this page, there are a lot of colors. If I want to select all the objects that have the same color, doing it one by one would take too much time. So, instead of wasting time, here's a faster way. I'll go to the Edit menu. Then I'll choose Find and Replace. The shortcut key for this is Ctrl+F. When I click it, a new window pops up. From there, I'll choose Edit Query. Another window opens, showing many different options. In these options, I'll check the box for Uniform Fill Color and then click on it. Now, I'll slightly move this window to the side. Next, I'll click on the color I want to find. I'll use the eyedropper tool to pick that color. Once selected, I'll click OK. Now I'll press Find All. And there you go. CorelDRAW has automatically selected all the objects with that exact same color. So, this way you can save a lot of time and work much faster. Trick number 3. Now, let's say you want to know how many shades or variations exist between two different colors. Here's how you can find that out. First, I'll select this red color object. Then, from the Shadow tool group, I'll select the Blend tool. Now, I'll create a blend between the red and yellow colors. As you can see, all the in-between colors smoothly appear between them. And you can also increase or decrease the number of steps to adjust how many shades you want. Trick number 4. Now, sometimes you might find it difficult to figure out which colors look good together. CorelDRAW actually gives you an amazing feature to help with that too. So, for this, I'll select the Circle tool and draw a circle here. Then, I'll make one more copy of it. I'll fill one circle with red and the other with yellow. After that, I'll select both circles and remove their outlines. Now, I'll go to the Window menu, then Dockers, and open Color Styles. A new Docker panel appears on the side. I'll take the red color and drag it into this panel. Then I'll press OK. I'll do the same for the yellow color. Drag it and drop it here. Now, I'll select the yellow color and drop it on top of the red color. You'll see both colors appear in a line. Then, by selecting both of them, CorelDRAW automatically creates a harmony color palette. From here, you can rotate the harmony line to see different matching color combinations. If I select a single color, I can adjust its line to make it straight. And by selecting both colors, you can create even more beautiful color variations. If you hold Alt and move your mouse up or down with the left button, you'll get lighter color tones. And if you hold Control, you can rotate and explore the same harmony in different directions. Pretty cool, right? I think this tip definitely deserves a like. Trick number 5. Here I have a rectangle, and I've already filled it with one color. Now, if I want to fill it with more interesting and creative colors, here's what I'll do. I'll click on this pen icon right here. If you don't see the pen tool, just click on the plus symbol icon below. Then, scroll down a little and you'll find it. Just check the box next to it. Now, when I click on the pen tool and then click on the color below, you'll notice that I can easily choose and apply different color fills to my object directly from here. So, how did you like this video? If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more interesting and creative tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.